Hey friends! So I am doing a project while my husband is away, which I'm so excited about. And right over there near that shed, along that line there, I'm gonna make like a little flower bed. So we're gonna see how it turns out. So I got some marigolds and some black-eyed Susans that I'm gonna place, and then I'm planting some sunflower seeds. So I got 3 different ones. So this is called Firecracker. And I got a Velvet Queen. And then I got your typical, the solar eclipse one. I didn't really want to get the mammoth one. I don't know. I'm going to try these first and see how it goes. So I mixed them all up in a little container, and I'll put 3 seeds in one little hole, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to start on that side there before that storm tries to knock me out. So here we go. All right, so I'm going to attempt to lay down and make a little bed and put some cardboard down, put some brick down, and we'll see how far I get before this rain starts. So here we go. So one thing I did not do, which I should have done, but I was so excited about doing it, was measuring the length of this. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe 20 feet, I have no idea. So we're gonna see if I have enough brick to just kind of mold it out. So here we go. So here I'm just lining up my little flower bed rocks just to put them all in a row. So I only got 20 bricks. I don't know what I was thinking, but I got a long way to go to make the rest of it. So I'll have to go back and get some more, but I'm gonna kind of show you how I'm doing it. So now I'm just lining my flower bed with some cardboard to block the weeds. So I'm lining it with some cardboard. I only bought 6 and then opened them up, or 5 and I opened them up. I'll have to get some more at the store to make my 2 rows, and then the rest of my brick to fill it all in, and then we'll put the mulch on top of it. I'll dig out around the concrete in the back to kind of give that extra support for it, so we'll see. So here I added my second row of cardboard to block the weeds, and I'm adding my rock wall to go along. So here I'm just spraying everything down, and then I'm adding the rest of the mulch to fill in the gap. All right, so I got all the rocks laid for my border wall, and then all the topsoil's put in. I just need to add another layer of rock, and it goes from that corner to this corner. I just need to put more rock in there, stack them up, and then just put another layer, and then I'll be ready to put my flowers in. So here I'm just adding my second row of bricks on top, going the whole length of the building. So I'm adding my second layer of topsoil to go all the way down and fill in all the way up to the second brick. So here I'm just spreading out the soil all the way down so I can start planting. Whew, it's raining and now it's hotter than death out here. So I lined up all my flowers how I want to plant them, and then I'm going to take my little sunflower seeds that I made my little mixture, and I'm going to put them in between the flowers. So here I am planting the black-eyed Susans, and then in between the black-eyed Susans I'll plant the sunflower seeds, as they'll grow a lot taller and be on the back side of the shed, and hoping to have some blooms come September.